This is by far the grossest sample pack I have ever heard in my entire life. I literally can't listen to this without gagging at least a couple of times. Check this out. Oh gosh. Listen to how wet that is. I can feel it. But that is not all, Dawn Nation, because we also have 10 serum presets. Is that right? Is that a correct number? Hold on. I was right. There's 10. Let's see what these sound like.
Disgusting.
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 That's me. Or maybe it's Austin. I'm not sure. These are made from burps. Well, there's significant less gagging when it comes to the serum presets, but if you want everything, if you want the burping samples plus the serum presets, it's completely for free. There is a link down in the description. This is actually part of a tutorial that we did. Oh, my phone! So this is actually from a tutorial that we did with AU5 where I burped into this microphone, this one right here, and he turned it into these bass growls. If you want to see how he did that while also downloading this free sample pack, link in the description. Go get it right now.